Hello there and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is LEAPTRAC bringing you the update for Tuesday, the 28th of October in our series Kya Hua, or What Transpired in the Stock Markets on a particular day. Today was a day where a doji was formed, a perfect doji if you ask me, but the day was one with high volatility. The NIFTY just could not decide which side to move. Before I get into the details of all the data that I want to show you, let me tell you these are a series of videos which are brought to you for all those who may have missed the action in the market. Now let's look at our first slide for today. It's a 1 month daily candlestick chart. And actually it starts on the 25th of September, which is Thursday, and ends on Tuesday, the 28th of October, the candle with the doji highlighted on the right side. We also have two horizontal lines, the 10 EMA and the 20 EMA, which is the exponential moving averages. And as you can see, the day it went up very high, the NIFTY went up very high but was pushed down and finally had to end up with almost the same value, 30 points short of what it closed yesterday. So it was a bearish doji. If you look at the 15-minute chart, which is the one day chart, but broken into 15-minute candles, you will see the volatility. The NIFTY in the first half an hour moved up very well, but then in the next 2 hours came down drastically. Again moved up for the next 1.5 hours, came down again at the same speed and moved up again. So basically, NIFTY could not sustain the levels at the highs and therefore it came down to the same as the previous day. If you look at the actual numbers, it opened 25,940, which was slightly below yesterday, but moved up to 26,041, then came down to 25,810 and ended up at 25,936, which was minus 30 points below the previous day's closing. If you look at the volatility, quite high, 231 points. And the volume for the day, almost close to 40 crores, 39.93. If you look at the indices, all the indices, there was a lot of action during the day, but at the end of the day, actually, it was very flat. All the indices are 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, etc. Mid cap and small cap almost flat. So basically, a lot of action in the day, but nothing much to talk about. Of course, it was a weekly closing day of the NIFTY, so that needs to be borne in mind. If you look at the sectoral indices, only the PSU Banks actually moved up well. And this has been consistently going on for some time. So that is some cheer. Otherwise, everything else was sort of flat. That's all I have to share with you. Thank you very much for joining. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it amongst your friends as well so that you can visit this site and you can get